If you're dreaming of a luxury escape in Thailand, it doesn't get much better than the Four Seasons Resort in Koh Samui. Nestled in the northwest corner of Koh Samui in Ong Tong, this resort is set along a private stretch of pristine beach, surrounded by lush tropical hills overlooking the Gulf of Thailand. It's about a 45-minute drive from the international airport, offering a peaceful, secluded atmosphere, perfect for a true getaway. Nearby, you can explore attractions like the Ong Tong National Marine Park, local temples, and even a nearby golf course just 15 minutes away. This is a 5-star, ultra-luxury resort featuring around 70 private villas and residences, all designed for maximum privacy and breathtaking ocean views. Each villa comes with its own private infinity pool, outdoor deck, and spacious indoor-outdoor living area, perfect for soaking in the tropical surroundings. What truly sets this resort apart is the level of luxury and attention to detail. You can relax on a private beach, unwind at the Great Garden Spa, or just enjoy world-class dining with an ocean view. There are also unique experiences, such as private yacht trips, snorkeling excursions, and even Muay Thai training overlooking the sea. If the setting looks familiar, that's because the resort was featured as a filming location for a major international TV series, The White Lotus Season 3, adding even more global appeal. The beach air is quiet and exclusive, far from the crowds of Chawang. Expect soft sand, calm waters, and incredible sunset views, perfect for couples, families, or anyone looking for total relaxation. The best time to visit Koh Samui is between December and April, when the weather is dry, sunny, and ideal for beach activities. Temperatures typically range from 28 to 32 degrees, with warm seas and light winds. Perfect conditions for enjoying everything the island has to offer. Four Seasons Resort Koh Samui is about privacy, luxury, and unforgettable views. From private pool villas to world-class service and one of the most stunning locations on the island, this is a destination that truly stands out. This is absolutely a beautiful place. But the starting price for one night in this place is around $2,000 US per night. That's in the low season. Just about 60,000 Thai baht per night. It's very expensive, or at least just outside of my price range, just by a little bit. It's a very beautiful place that comes with a very nice price tag, and I'm sure getting popular in a TV series added to the cost. But this place is routinely sold out, or at least it was when this series was very, very popular. All right, guys, there it is. As always, thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on the next one.